How to add Google reviews to Squarespace website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a Google reviews to your Squarespace website. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over squarespace.com. Then you only need to sign in for the account. As you can see here, we have the favicon of the account. We are going to select the account dashboard. Now, a little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, accounts, are created for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So make sure to use your own information. So here we are on the admin dashboard of our Squarespace account. You can see here all the websites that we have created. We have some of them that has been, or most of them has been expired. And also we have the trial versions. Squarespace will give you a trial version for every website that you are going to create. So if you want to make it a not trial and also here infinite time and also the website here of you, so you are going to buy a domain within within Squarespace and get your website claimed. Now, if you didn't create a website, you are going to click on create website, choose your template, and boom. If you have one already, you are going to select it. So click on go to website. Now we have the website itself. So right here, we are going to see the website. Now I'm going to let you see here the page that I want to add the reviews to. So here we are going simply to add a product. And if you want to add a product, that means you're going to create a store. How we can create a store within the new platform of Squarespace or the new version of it, you're going to select your products and services. Make sure to add the product right here. Then you're going to add the physical product, for example, the downloadable product, for example, this one. You can go ahead and add the reviews from here. For example, the product reviews, you're going to leave the editor. Then you are going to turn on the reviews. That was for only the reviews right here. Here we have this for the reviews after we have a bot or you have made some sales within this specific product. So now I'm going to add the Google reviews. How we can do that? We are going to add a widget, and that widget we are going to get it from a specific website that can create widgets. And that platform is Elfsight. This is the platform. So this is the platform that will allow you to create a widget without coding. So we are going to select one of the pre-made widgets, then we are going to make it ours. So now we are going to visit the website again on Squarespace. I'm going to select, for example, the products or a product here version. Here we have it. So we are going to click on edit. Then I am going to click on add a block. So now we are going to click on code. Boom, here we have it. I'm going to make this here, maybe a little bit here. So we are going to make it like that to the middle. So make sure to add the block here like that. Put it here or give it some space. So here we have the block. Double click on the block and it will give you here the code or the HTML code. So make sure to add a HTML and not something else. Now we are going to head to Elfsight again. Elfsight, here we are going to select here or click on widgets. Don't click on it, but here hover the mouse on it. So we are going to see here social, videos, audios, reviews, chats, etc. Go ahead and see here the offers under the reviews. You can go ahead and see Amazon reviews, Airbnbs here, Facebook reviews, Google reviews, and this is for the today's video. We are going to choose here Google reviews. We are going to create a widget for free here, so we are going to click on it. Then we are simply going to edit our review. So choose the type or the template of the reviews. For example, this one, this is the most simplest one. Here we have the carousel, we have the grid, we have floating, etc. So I'm going to use this one because this is the most used one. I'm going to click on continue with this. So here you are going to put the source of the reviews. You can go ahead and add the source of the reviews right here by adding, for example, a store or a business name right there. For example, I'm going to put, you can go ahead and add a business name and address, for example, right there. Or you can go ahead and ignore this. Then you are going to add or select the layout. We have a layout like carousel, grid, list, masonry, and etc. So I'm going only to use this one. For example, masonry. This is the most convenient for me. So I'm going to click on the header. Then you are going to see here the options that we can add. Here we have styles. You can go ahead and use all of the styles right here. So you can disable right here the ratings, number of reviews, right here review button, and etc. For reviews, here we have every, for example, the review style here, every one of them is customizable. You can customize it here, you can put it like that, that. The style, here we can go ahead and put the check or the color of the buttons, modify the background, widget title, etc. Here we have the settings for the languages and enable external links. Now all we need to do is to click on add to website and it will save your widget right away. So here we have the review. Now it is published. So as you can see, I'm going to click on close. Here we have the review. I'm going to click on install. Then we are going to set or stabilize ourselves on the embed code. We are going to click on copy code back to the content of our Squarespace website. Click on add code. Boom. Here we have it. So we are going to display source code. You can go ahead and display the source code right there, or you can go ahead and make sure that it is here. So we are on the preview. So you can go ahead and see the preview right here. So as you can see here, we are going to make it a little bit larger. So the reviews are not available because we didn't make the source for them and the link for them. But here we have only the Google storing right there. You can go ahead and review on Google and etc. Make sure to add your own here reviews to add the cards and see them. Here it will demand from you business name and address. So make sure to add it to see all of the cards right there. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.